So in today's video, I'll show you how to stop your DREAME from D20 Plus from mopping carpets. Okay, so as you can see, I have the app open, and first let's talk about automatic carpet detection. In most cases it works, and if it does, then the only thing that you'll need to do is click on three dots in the top right corner, find carpet cleaning settings, make sure it's set to vacuum and not ignore. If it's set to ignore, it will mop the carpets, and if it's set to vacuum, it will only vacuum the carpets. Unfortunately, it is unable to lift the mop, so in case of carpets, it will just, if you have mopping mode enabled, it will avoid the carpets, and if you have vacuum mode enabled, it will just vacuum on them. Yeah, that is the thing that you can do. But if it didn't work, you can either add a carpet on the map. You can see I have a carpet here on the map. You can either add it manually or create a no mop zone, and I'll do both of them. So when I click here on this map editing button, I can either add a carpet. So let's add a new one. I can resize it to whatever I want. Unfortunately, there are no circular shapes, which is quite a bummer. Let's add the carpet here. Let's approve it. And now, as you can see, this is how it works. Now, the next thing that you can try is adding a no mop zone, which is clicking here on the map editing button, go to no-go zone / virtual wall, click on no mop zone, and now create it in whatever size you'd like to. Place it wherever you want to, and it will work the same way. It will just avoid it if it's in mopping mode and vacuum if it's in just vacuum mode. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.